My name na town planner in Abulele Omorodio Henry. Na me be the director of development control for the state. Wetin happen today where you see us go na where people for dey do illegal work, and e come be say where they do this thing na come for within the old GRA where we dey try to manage to control development, so that people no go dey build anyhow. And this one come happen for police officers mess, and people know the place say e dey close to 5 junction. The activities for that area now, because of traffic wahala, we dey try to control am, and you come dey put another commercial building for that place, row of stores. And when they start this work, we go meet them, we stop, tell them, say, well, this work wey una dey do so, e no good. And before you fit do this work, you need to come our office so that we go guide you, go advise you on the best way to do it, so that your activity no go go disturb the peace of others where they use the area, or disturb the peace of others where they live within the OGR. Now, OGRA be that. That one na like prime area I be say government get interest for. And couple with the fact say the master plan where Edo State government they do so, Benin City master plan, put that area for inside the paper, go say anything where they take place there, we must follow out to guide and to make sure people don't do the wrong thing. We stop them. They come office. We tell them, so come now, hold on. Make we direct you now, make we guide you now. How una get to do it if we go allow una do it. But to our greatest surprise now, the other side where we say never start before, you see and say, well, they don't plaster one side. Now they will stop them before. Then they work Saturday and Sunday. Even on Sunday, they work there. During holiday, they were working throughout. They work there. Because they know say we not go do office. People know go do work. And because of all this kind of person, now we make us, I would say, our workers now, they come work on Saturday. We dey work on Saturday now. On Sunday at times we dey go dey work when the case becomes so very serious. But because they say and say this holiday na Christmas holiday, people go their house. They work throughout. Today now we can't go there say the one where they do so, may they stop them. We go there now, we don't see the place. And we don't advise them say, may they stop every work there. And we don't tell them say, may they remove them. Because even waiting that they do there is against, our building law, our building control law, the physical planning law of Edo State. What they are doing there is against it. So if you just wake up overnight and people go just say, oh, where we did before they could build them? We don't they follow them up. Say, may they stop this thing. Because authority now, nobody fit talk to them and the rest. Then they do what they do. So today now we don't go there. Go serve them, we mark them, we say may they remove. And we give them 7 days. If after 7 days they not remove them, then we go escalate them to the appropriate quarter, because tell them say for the letter we will serve them say may they remove. If after 7 days they not remove them, we go come remove them. And the cost of removing it, they go pay Edo State government.